Hello, hello! Welcome back to Red Ted Art. Our Princess Ornament series continues. Today we have the lovely Cinderella. Cinderella shall go to the ball. I love how they spin when they're hanging up. They actually also stand, so you can have them as little standing ornaments. And yeah, they're really easy and fun to make. They join my other series. We've got Snow White, we've got Belle, and we've got Elsa so far, and there is 3 more to come. But in the meantime, whilst we wait for those, let's take a look and see how Cinderella is made. So to make Cinderella, you will need your free printable, some blue paper, some thread, a glue stick, and some scissors. To begin with, we're going to just cut out our Cinderella quite roughly. Make sure you keep this paper for other projects, waste not, want not. And then what we need to do is fold her in half and make sure that the front and back perfectly align. Now the way I do this is by holding it against the window or against the light and then slightly adjusting it and making a nice neat crease. Now I'm going to do that offline because obviously it's a bit hard on this kind of video, and then we'll come back and do the next step. Okay, as you can see, she perfectly aligns now. I'm just going to give a little trim at the top and you'll see in a minute why. So that I can basically add my thread. Let's cut some thread out. So take your glue stick, put glue all over, make sure you get it everywhere, especially where her arms are and the edges of her head, edges of the skirt. We want a really nice, good, you know, that it sticks together really well. Right to the edges. Add your thread. And glue shut. Now if you forget to add your thread, don't worry, you can always, as with some of our other princesses, afterwards just sew it. So I don't know if you can see that little hole there, there's a little hole, and we just sewed it through, so that works fine as well. Next thing you need to do is cut out your princess, and I shall do that on speed. So fold all your circles in half, like I've done already. This is the last one. Do it as neatly as possible. Then get your glue stick and glue only four of them together by adding glue on one side and aligning the next one. I made a mistake. I was lost in thought. Here we go. That's 4 of them. Next 4. Don't do as I do, do as I say. I was thinking about something else. So 4 and 4. 4 here, 4 here. So now we need to shape it. Come back to that one. So we take it, we align it to the edge of the skirt. Make sure there's a straight line down the middle. I'm going to do some trimming later, so do that. Repeat the same cut here. Okay, add glue to one side, add glue to the other side, line it in the center and glue down. Make sure it's nice and straight. Now you can either trim at the end or you can trim now. I'm going to trim now. And also the sides. And you have one side of her dress finished. There we go, look at that, isn't that adorable? Now I'm going to repeat the same on the other side. Let's give her a little spin. There we go. Isn't she adorable? Now, as you know, this Cinderella joins the ranks of Snow White. We also have Belle. And so far we've also have Elsa. So we have 4 princesses already for you, each complete with their own printable and video. Today was all about Cinderella, and yeah, they're free to download, print and make as many as you like. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and we'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.